How to fold a t-shirt with the pinch method. Lay the shirt flat on a flat surface. Lay the shirt so that you're looking at the front of the t-shirt and the right side of the t-shirt is away from you. Then draw an imaginary straight line between the collar and the sleeve of the t-shirt all the way down to the bottom of the t-shirt. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to put this imaginary line on the edge of the ironing board. Take your right hand and pinch the top of the imaginary line. Take your left hand and pinch about 2 inches below the armpit of the sleeve on the imaginary line. From here, keep your left hand in place and then using your right hand, drag the shirt across to the bottom. As you drag, ensure you're looking at the top of the t-shirt the entire time. You're basically touching the top of the imaginary line with the bottom of the imaginary line. Using your right hand, pinch both the top of the t-shirt and the bottom of the t-shirt. As you can see, your arms are crossed. Now what you want to do is stand up and uncross your arms. Ensure your right hand is pinching the top and bottom of the t-shirt and your left hand is still pinching on the inside of the t-shirt. Go ahead and wiggle out the shirt so you get rid of any creases. Then lay the front side of the shirt onto the table. Then fold the shirt over so you can again see the collar. Then flatten out your shirt and your shirt is now folded. And that's how you fold a t-shirt with the pinch method.